black things can we keep? Oh, a shark just tried to attack me! How many black things can we keep? Oh, a shark just tried to attack me!
Should I stick my feet in the water and rinse it off? Here, sharky, sharky, sharky. Here, sharky, sharky.
Bring it back to me one more time. That's close right there. Oh, right in your hat. You're good, you're good. Take your hat off. Oh, Woo! Bring it back to me one more time. That's close right there. Right in your hat. You're good, you're good. Take your hat off.
Boat ramp fail.
Yeah, go back in the water. Tell me it's going the wrong way.
Yeah.
Put the hook on it!
I'm working.
No, fuck it, just peel out! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Back it up. Back it up. Just back it up. Hey, look it. Jump. No, you are. You are. Let go. No, you are. Push it back. Yeah, go. Go, bro. Push it back.
小红书。
Trying to eat him on the surface. Video that.
Damn. Oh my god, it was a f***ing shark. Are you kidding me? I'm leaving.
That wasn't a dolphin.
That was a shark.
That looked like a dolphin.
That was a shark. All day. I'm out of here.
Probably the same shark.
Baby, I am out of here.
Have you seen this badass guy that catches monster fish from his kayak? His name is Brandon Barton, and he slays fish.
I told a bitch I'm him, quit playing. I ride with a boss, with bitch get hit. I stay on the road like the Michelin man. Put an M on your head like a Michelin fan. I'm riding so hard, I might